In this movie, we will first create the logout functionality. Second, register a new user and make the user an administrator. Third, log in as an administrator. And fourth, look at the tools.php snippets file to understand how it is being used. This is the last movie in this series. Begin by opening the controller and run it. Click the Login link in the registration view. Log in using the email and password of one of the registrants already in the database. If the login was successful, you should be on the home page and the top right corner of the view should greet you by name and offer a logout link. Hover over the link and look at the status bar in the bottom left corner of the browser window. You should see that it points to the controller and has a name-value pair. The name is Action and the value is Logout, all lowercase. Return to the controller code found in index.php. Scroll towards the bottom of the page and you will find a case statement with the value of logout. Here is where we will write the logout functionality. The logout involves two steps. First, the session sets a cookie which is stored in the client browser that contains the session ID. The cookie must be destroyed. Second, the session itself must be destroyed. To unset the session cookie, we will look at the Session Destroy page on php.net. Go there in a browser window. Scroll down to Example 1. We will use a modified version of the provided example to get rid of the cookie by typing set cookie left parenthesis session underscore name parenthesis pair comma quote quote with nothing between them comma 1 close parenthesis followed by a semicolon into the controller on line 109. Add a comment to remind yourself of what this does. Then create a new line. Now we will destroy the session by typing session underscore destroy left right parentheses semicolon. With the session ended, the user is logged out since the information indicating that they were logged in was stored in the session. We will now redirect the user to the controller using a header call and then type an exit on the line following it. Save the controller. Return to the browser window showing the home.php view. Click the Logout link. You should once again be looking at the registration view. Notice that in the top right corner the original links are back. The user is logged out. Now we want to create an administrator and log them in. Click the Register link and register a new user. Make sure you know their email address and password as you will need them in a moment. Once registered, open the database table and change the user's type to admin. Return to the browser tab that shows the login page. Log in as the new administrative user. If successful, you should be on the home page, but look at the link options in the top right corner. Now the administrator is welcomed, given the option to log out, and also an option to move to an administrative page. To see how the options change, open the tools.php page in the snippets folder. You should note that this is not a full web page, only a snippet that gets included into every view. Since each view already has access to the session and its data, the snippet does too. Based on the login values in the session, the code is displayed based on login and user type, or the basic options if no one is logged in. Well, that's it. We've gone through the whole login and logout process. You have written functions and logical processes to make the whole interactive process work. I hope that you have found it beneficial and helpful. Good luck to you.